If you're a mom trying to figure out a way to make money online, but you don't want to pretend and act like you're an expert, girl, this video is going to be for you. Look, I don't teach moms how to make money online. I teach moms how to become the woman who never has to worry about money ever again. And I'm going to be honest with you, sis, that first starts with skills. Girl, keep watching this video because I'm going to be giving you 5 skills you need to sell anything online. So if you are a mom and you're looking for a real simple and easy way to make money online, girl, keep watching.
Hey, I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. Na diva is a female version of a hustler. Of a hustler.
Most moms are told to pick a niche, become an expert, and teach something that they barely understand. And then people wonder why nobody buys. Girl, it's not because you're lazy, and it's not because you're not capable. It's because you've been given the wrong strategy. You don't need a niche, you need skills. All right, so let me show you something real quick. I get paid to do exactly this. Yeah, load my dishwasher, pick up my kids' toys, live my life. Girl, not because I'm selling chores, but because I learned how to turn my real life into content that converts. That's digital marketing for moms. Okay, sis, so let me break this down because here is what nobody is teaching beginner moms building an online business. This is how you sell the same product but different angles. First, tension. Speak directly to the problem she's experiencing. Next, trust. Tell your story so she feels connected to you. The third one, credibility. Show why it works. Think proof, structure, and results. The fourth one, ease. Make it feel simple and remove the overwhelm. And the last one, identity. Show her who she will become when she says yes. Okay, mama, you still with me? Or let's just make this a little practical, okay? Let's pretend I'm selling this lotion. I'm gonna break this down 5 different ways that I can sell this lotion to you, okay? So let's start with tension, all right? This lotion right here, girl, this is for moms who have cracked hands from literally washing dishes all day. See how I'm solving a problem that a mom has cracked hands, all right? So the next one, let's do trust, okay? Girl, I started using this lotion because my hands was cracked from literally cleaning all day, okay? I'm getting you to trust me because maybe you also have been experiencing this, right? Let's do credibility, all right? Girl, I had to get this product because I seen that there was over 1,000 positive reviews talking about how amazing this product was, right? So next, let's do ease. I love this product so much because I can literally put it on, rub it in, and it absorbs in 30 seconds. Ease. See how easy and simple it is? Not hard to do. I don't have to rub it in forever. You follow me? You follow me? Next, let's do identity, okay? This product right here is for the mom who finally puts herself first, who finally chooses her because she deserves the best out of the best. Y'all follow me? See what I did? Same lotion, 5 ways to sell it. As moms, we solve problems all day, from homework problems to time problems to budget problems. Sis, problem solving is in your DNA, all right? And it's also the foundation of a successful online business. Sis, if you can run a household, you can run a business. All right, mama, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe before you leave. You made it all the way to the end of this video, girl, and you ain't subscribed. I'm giving you these tips and I'm giving you these gems. What are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like this video, share this video with another mom. And if you're ready to get inside of the mompreneur method today, girl, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It's truly no other community out here like it. Girl, if you don't mind a little ghetto, a little Jesus, a little, women, us coming together, pouring into each other, I'm telling you, sis, you're gonna fit right in inside of the community. But again, as always, I have some free resources linked down below. And if you haven't already, girl, check out this video because I posted this last week where I literally show you how I stay on track, how I schedule my content, schedule my threads, girl, because I'm a mama and I believe in working smarter and not harder. But all right, y'all, I will see you on the next video.